Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to delete saved network credentials on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 using a single command. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to delete your saved network credential or shared drive or shared folder, then what you have to do, you have to just right click on that, then click on delete. From here it has been deleted. So now just you need to go to the CMD, click on this search menu, then type here CMD, right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type net space use and hit enter. After that you will find one path here. Just you need to copy that path, like IP address 192.168, like that the IP address will be appeared here. You have to just copy that path, then type here net space use, then paste that path, then give the space, then /, then delete. After typing this, just hit enter and your shared credentials will be removed. That's it guys. So in this way you can delete saved network credentials on a Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.